Hello student, I welcome you all in our YouTube channel Smart Study. Today we will learn how to find the square within very short time. Hardly it will take 5 seconds. Square up any 2-digit number or square up any 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number. The process is same. Okay, in Smart Study channel daily I used to upload or take direct classes, okay, in this channel, and from evening time at 8 p.m. Otherwise I used to upload short videos also. This is for the benefit of all the students, so you must subscribe the channel. And today our topic is how to find the square of any 2-digit or 3-digit number. For example, square of 57, square of 49, 37, square of 89, square of 437. In every case, we will see that time taken will be 5 seconds to 10 seconds. If it is 4-digit number also, then also time taken will be 10 seconds. Okay, so this is the beauty of the Vedic math. And today we will continue with the square. First of all, we must know a term that is known as duplex. Okay, if it is a duplex of one number, so duplex of A, so it is simply A square. That means duplex of 1 means 1, duplex of 2 means 4, duplex of 3 means 9. So like this, duplex of a number, single digit number means it is simply its square. Duplex of 2-digit number, then it is 2AB, twice of the product of two numbers. This thing you have to remember, and automatically it will get memorized after doing 2-3 questions. And if it is a duplex of 3-digit number, that is equal to 2AC plus B square. 2 into twice of the product of two extreme number left and right, 2AC, and square of the plus square of the middle digit, that is B, that is its square. Similarly, we can find out the duplex of 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, like that, but that thing we will discuss in the later class. Today we will concentrate only on 2-digit and 3-digit square. Suppose we have to find out, our question is, what is the square of 57? We want to find the square of 57. So first of all, what we will do, we will group it, we will make groups of 1-digit, that is 5, then 2-digit, that is 57, and again 1-digit, 7. Like this we have to divide this 57 into 3 groups. Group of 1-digit, then group of 2-digit, then again group of 1-digit, 1, 2, 1. If it is a 3-digit number, first we will make the group of 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, and again 2-digit and 1-digit. So that thing we will learn afterwards. So in this way we will divide the number into 3 parts, 5, then 5, 7, then 7, and we will take its duplex. Duplex of 5, we know it is 5 square, so this will become 25. Then duplex of 7, this is also 1-digit number. Duplex of 1-digit, simply its square. So 7 square, that will be 49. And duplex of 57, so that will be 2 into 5 into 7, 2AB. Duplex of 2-digit number is 2AB. So 2 into 5, 10 into 7, 70. Now what we will do? Bring 1 digit from each number. From here we will write only 9, as we have done in normal multiplication. Same here only. From every group, from every column, we will bring only 1 digit, and the next digit we will carry forward. So 70 plus 4, that will become 74, and from 74 we will bring only 1 digit, that is 4. And this 7 will be carried forward. So 25 plus 7, that will be 32, and from here 2 will come down, and 3 last digits, that will also come down. So our answer is 3249. So 57 square is 3249. So when you will do it, hardly it will take 5 to 6 seconds maximum. Okay. So what I am doing, the number I am dividing it into 3 parts, 5, then 5 7, then 7. Duplex of 5 is 5 square, that is 25. Duplex of 57, that means 5 into 7 into 2, so 2 into 5 10, into 7 70, and duplex of 7 means is square, that is 49. And now from each group I will bring only one digit down, 9, 4 will be carried forward, so 70 plus 4 74, 4 will bring down, 7 will be taken forward, 25 plus 7 is 32. So 32 last column, that's why total thing will bring down. So 3249, our answer is 3249. Okay, so now I will take another example. Suppose we want to find out square of 89. Square of 89. That is how much. So first what we will do, we will break into 3 parts. First we will write duplex of 8, then duplex of 8 9, then again duplex of 9. In this way we will break up into 3 parts. First 1 digit, then 2 digit, then again 1 digit. 1 2 1. If 3 digit, 1 2 3, then 2 1. Little by little you will start understanding the concept. Same concept only. And duplex of 8 is, you know, it is 64, simply the square. 1 digit number means duplex is simply square. Here duplex of 9 means 9 square, that is 81. And duplex of 8 9. So 8 into 9 will be 72. And 72 into 2. 2 digit number, duplex means 2AB. So 8 into 9 72. 72 into 2, that will be 144. Okay, and then what we will do, from every column we will bring only 1 digit. So here 1 will come and 8 will move forward. So 144 plus 8, that will be 152. And from here 2 will come down, and this 15, this will be again taken forward. So like this. So this will become 9 and 7, and since it is the last column, so both the digit will come down. So our answer is 7921. 7921. So this is the square of 89. So in this way we can find the square of any number. Once again I am explaining. Duplex of 9, that is 81. Duplex of 8, that is 64. Duplex of 89, that will be 144. Then from here 1 will come down, 8 will move forward, carry forward. So 144 plus 8, 152. Again from here 2 will come down, 15 will be taken forward. So 64 plus 15 will be 79. And as it is the last column, the total thing will come down. So 79 will come down. So our answer is 7921. So in this way we can find the square of any 2 digit. Okay, so now we'll see how much fast you can do it. So this is about the process, how to do it. Okay, and process is clear to you. Suppose now I want to find the square of 37. Okay, so what I will do, duplex of 3 is 9, then duplex of 7, it will be 49. And then duplex of 3 7, 3 into 7 21, into 2 42. Then here 9, 42 plus 4 46, 42 plus 4 46. So 6 will come down, 4 will taken forward. So 9 plus 4 30. So this is the answer. So 1 3 6 9. So hardly it will take 2 seconds. That thing I am doing by explaining you. And when you will do it, directly you can write the answer. Okay, no need of writing this one. 37 square means first duplex, 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, and 37 duplex is 42. 3 into 7 21, into 2 42. And 9 then 42 plus 4 46, 6 will come down, 4 will be taken forward, so 9 plus 4 is 13, so answer is 1369. So in this way you can do very fast. Now we will try to learn the duplex of 3-digit number. If it is a 3-digit number, for example, we want to find out the duplex of square of 432. We want to find out the square of 432. 3-digit number square I am writing. So first what we will do, I will make the group. First duplex of 4, then duplex of 43, then duplex of 432, then duplex of 32, then duplex of 2. So first duplex of one number, then two number, then three number, then again duplex of last two number, and then duplex of last digit, not number, digit. So in this way 1, 2, 3, again 2, again 1. In this way we have to write the group. Then duplex of 4 already know, that is 16. Duplex of one number, no problem. Then duplex of 4, 3, 2-digit number, that is 2AB. So 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24. Then duplex of 3-digit number. The duplex of 3-digit number can be written as 2AC plus B square. So this will become how much? 432. First these two number will multiply 4 and 2. That will be 8 and it's twice. So I can write here for your easy understanding. First 2 into 4 into 2, then plus 3 square. So in this way we can write the duplex of 3-digit number. So 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16, and 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9, and 16 plus 9 is 25. So here duplex of 432 is 25. Then duplex of 32, 2-digit number, that means simply 2AB. So 2 into 3 into 2. So 3 into 2, 6, and it's twice, that is 12. And duplex of 2, that is 4. So in this way, first of all you have to write the duplex of all the group. And then the process is same. From every group you will bring one digit down. So from here I will write 4. From here I will bring 2. 1 will be carried forward. So 25 plus 1. So it will become 26. So 6 will come down. 2 will move forward. So 24 plus 2, that will be 26. From here 6 will come down. And these 2 will carry it forward. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So from here as the last column, so both the digit will come down. So our answer is 186,624. 186,624. So this is the square of 3-digit number. So in this way you can find the square of any 3-digit number by writing the duplex. Okay, so I hope today you are clear about finding the square of 2-digit number and finding the square of 3-digit number. Do practice, and you will see that your mathematical skill will improve this will improve many fold that you cannot imagine. Okay, so today in our class we learn these two concepts. One is square of 2-digit and the square of 3-digit, and this is known as duplex method. And by finding the duplex and then writing, then go on adding from right to left, you will get the answer. And I hope you like the video, subscribe the video, okay, and do come to class again and again. Thank you.